Hello, at the East takeaway, Ashton-Under-Lyne again. Chef Mohammad is putting on a Seekh Kebab onto skewers. The mixture has been well pounded in mixed together in a food processor for quite a long time, and that's what really helps it stick to the skewer. So that's pretty much key, along with using a lamb mince that's got a good proportion of fat in it, 25% for example, and it's cold when it's put on the skewer too, which helps. Right, so once, oops, sorry, that was my fault. So once that's formed up, we're going to put it in the tandoor and see what happens. Let's see if we can zoom this in a bit. I can't stick my phone in there long else. This is about 4 or 5 minutes. Give it a tiny bit longer. There we go. Chef's just unskewered it. It smells absolutely delicious. I'm just putting it into a bed of onion and coriander. It looks absolutely amazing. I'll have a taste of that, hang on. Okay, Seekh Kebabs at East Takeaway. Let's give this a taste. Nice little morsel there. On its own at first, I've got some raita on the side. Yeah, juicy, tasty, a little bit spicy. Beautiful.